Hey guys, Anna here from My Digital. Here's a quick guide on setting up and leveraging the core functions of Urgency Plus. After installing the app, you'll need to enable the app embed. Just click Enable to start creating your first widget. In the dashboard, click Create Widget and select Countdown Timer. Start by naming your widget, then decide when you want the countdown to start, either on a schedule or when the user visits your site. Choose if it should repeat or be a one-time timer. Finally, choose your start and end date. Select your countdown settings like timer type, position on the page, and where to show the banner. You can also fully customize your banner and choose elements like titles, subheadings, buttons, and discount codes. You have complete freedom in how these elements appear. Alternatively, you can select from a variety of pre-made templates. Make sure to tap into the full power of Urgency Plus. Visit our website to learn more about additional features. If you ever need support, our live chat team is available 24/7. You can also visit our website to learn how other successful Shopify merchants have boosted sales with Urgency Plus. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.